Okay, I found one that I really liked, and I wanted to share it with you. Mfrm. This is Mattress Firm, and as you see here, let's go back a little bit. Okay, you can see that we've actually broken through it, tested it one time, and this is lower highs and definitely lower lows most recently, and so this is starting to become a very bearish scenario. The 200-day moving average is breached, and the other moving averages are moving down, and we've actually tested this area, which is a very kind of an important area. I'm going to actually put that up right now. This area right here where it's been before, and that's kind of where it stopped at, and then after that this gets really nasty. I don't even want to put a line there because there's really not that much in a way of support here. I'd like to probably put this honestly back here at about let's call it maybe 22.5 at best. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to look at this, and on any relief rally that this might have, and actually I want to hope that it would have enough strength to at least get back up into maybe around 38 bucks. And I'm actually going to put I want to actually put an alert there for myself. If we can get back to, let's see here, I want to call it 38.5, I believe is what I like, just to make me aware of where it's at. Okay, 38.5. Okay, right back to there. If we could somehow just get up into that area, or maybe just a touch higher, it would be a good opportunity to load up on that short position. I really like this. From what I just did a real brief look at them. They've had a little bit of complications. The earnings haven't been really great. Their forward looking isn't really so good. I think they're in the middle of just breaking down a bit, and I think this thing really can get a nice sustained wash back into around 25.5. Would say at least, right around there. I would say 25.5 to around 22 or 21. But from 25.5, that's a good 10-point move. I really like the risk versus reward on this one. This is one I'm going to watch. This is now below the 40. This is starting to get some bearish momentum going. It's below the zero line. This is everything I'm looking for. And 317 is the earnings. So I want to pick some of this up into the earnings, which I don't believe are going to be really good. And I think this is going to have a nice wash down into about the 25 area. So let's go look at the options on this one. It's got my curiosity. And so I want enough time on there. So April's good time for me. And boy, they've got a little bit of a spread going here. Obviously, you're going to see zero on the volume because everything's been reset till the market opens tomorrow. But as far as the prices go, maybe they'll close this gap a little bit too when the market's open. But this is a little bit of a spread on here. Obviously, if you put in an order, I'm not going to pay full retail price for that. So, even if I paid a little bit more, paid 4.5 or something of that nature, but they're still expensive, just very expensive. You're paying a lot for time. Man, I don't know. I'm going to have to look at this a little bit more to make a better informed decision on when the market opens. But one way or another, this is definitely a short opportunity, whether you do it via the stock or whether you do it with the put options, or if you go into some type of spread to offset the prices of the options, or even if you just sell call premium. There's a million ways to definitely do it. If they're so high, let me see if there's, let's see, the calls 370 for the 35s. That might be a better way to do it, is maybe sell some call premium or sell some 40s for 150. I'll have to look when the market's open. But regardless, keep your eye on this one. This is, I'm going to actually put another alert just below. I know it's going to be a little bit before we get to that area, but I'm hoping to get a bounce on this one and get us back up to somewhere in this level between 38.5 and maybe 40 would be great. The higher the better on it, and then it'll have a nice wash down, and maybe I can pick up those put options or something a little cheaper and see what the strategy is. But I really wanted to show you guys this one because I think this is a very, very good opportunity of one that's breaking down that's going to go much lower, and I believe there's at least a 10-point opportunity in here, if not more. So pay attention to this one and see if we can't pick this one up cheap maybe this week, and then and ride it out past earnings in here, and then pick up a good 10 points on it. All right, I'll follow up on this one later, and good luck and keep your eye on it.